We'll be installing shocks today on our 2019 F350. We pull our fifth wheel with this. And we're installing the Bilstein 5100s, mainly for their valving, because we do tow a fifth wheel. We'd like it a little more aggressive. A few things that you will need is a 18 and a 15 millimeter. 18s for the top bolts, 15 and 18 for the bottom. What we're installing today is the Bilstein B8 5100. They look like when they come in. Now the reason I chose this shock over the 46 or 4800 is the valving. We tow a fifth wheel, and this shock's designed for a lift of 0 to 2 inches, I believe. Comes with a nice little sticker. 2 stickers actually. Okay. One other thing that is very handy is my Dewalt 20 volt impact driver. This thing will snap lug nuts off. It's so powerful. So we carry it in the truck all the time. Not to snap off lug nuts, but to remove them in case we're flat on the camper or the truck. Each swinging a wrench. All right, let's get into this. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it from here, but this shock is leaking. When we came back from our last trip, there was fluid dripping down the side. So that's the main reason. And also, there's 55,000 miles on stock shocks. Okay. Get the baby off of here. Nice. Come off clean. See if this extension gets by that sway bar. Bingo. That ain't not tight. So I can see why the top was only 18 foot-pounds. This one was 44, I believe. All right, now that she's spinning, let the wrench do a little work. Okay. Here she is. Not the greatest shape. Okay. Put a little grease on this. Put a little on the bolt. And I'm going to slide it over the upper grommet. Don't know if it's needed, but Let's see how it can hurt. Let's see if this thing slides on. Just fine. Get the nut. Like that. I don't know if I'm gonna need the extension up here. Well, looks like I may not hurt. Oops. Come on. That's good. Rubber slightly compressed. Okay. What we're going to try here, let me get a screwdriver in there. Ooh, that fit good. Went in too far. I may even be able to wrench it in. Oh, that was close. Alrighty, up the GoPro. I don't have a back door on it, so the battery popped out. Yeah, GoPro 10s, probably the same with many of them. They overheat and shut off with the door closed. Kind of a pain in the ass. There we go. Ready. There it is. Alrighty. Snug this up a little bit and then we'll torque it in. Got it working upside down. Okay. One in. Okay, one's installed. The alignment wasn't too bad on the bottom bolt. Screwdriver and help me align it, Phillips head. bolt off. Nut off, I should say. Righty. Like I said before, this is a 21 millimeter. The other side's an 18. The torque setting on these is 44. At least that's what I could find online. Top and bottom. And like I said earlier, these shocks have about 55,000 miles on them. This is the new one. Like the other side. I'm going to put a little grease on the rubber. I think it's easier to do it here than it is up there. Slide right on there. There we go. Put the nut on. Snug her up. Low torque setting. And we'll see what the alignment is on this side. Not as good. That's a bit of a bummer. So, I guess I can put a jack underneath and jack it up. Jack the axle up a little bit. Or I can try to cut the strap and hit it just right, but boy, that's always a gamble. I think we'll go the safe route. And we'll jack it up. Some of these tools out of here. One part of me says go for it, but if it fails, getting this shock back into position is quite a challenge. Although, if I put a screwdriver here to restrict it, it might work. You know what? I'm in gambling mode. Let's try it. Nothing. Ooh-wee. Lucky guy today. Lucky guy today. They are mounted. Don't look too bad. Done.